As built for AutoCAD 2020, efficiently model pipes. Copy and fit pipes. The model recurring pipe process now runs more efficiently. From the As-Built Plant tab, either directly start Copy and Fit Pipes and select the pipes, or first use Select Pipe Run. Click one item and press Enter. The whole run is selected. Then start Copy and Fit Pipes. Follow the command line prompts. Specify a base point. Next, click the corresponding point to place the copied pipe run. Repeat as needed. Turn off transparency if needed to find the point for placement. Pipes are automatically fitted to the point cloud. Other components stay where they were placed. Press Escape to finish the command. The links between the pipe components are retained. As built for AutoCAD 2020, lock flanges and other components for Apply Constraints. Select a component and open Properties. The new property fixed for Apply Constraints allows you to lock the component. Select Yes, and it will not be moved by Apply Constraints. A lock symbol indicates this state. Now run Apply Constraints. Click Select Plant Objects. Click one component and press Enter to select the whole run. Press Enter again to confirm the selection. Then start Apply Constraints. Time-lapse 10 times. The result matches the constraints and the point cloud. As built for AutoCAD 2020, Auto Link Pipes. Check for broken links using Select Pipe Run. Select one component and press Enter. If the run is not selected completely, then the links are broken. AutoLink is the fastest way to fix this. Enter a tolerance distance in the command line and press Enter. Use Select Pipe Run to check. Then select one component and press Enter. As built for AutoCAD 2020, move fittings. If, after Copy and Fit or Apply Constraints is applied, a fitting is not placed correctly, use Move Fittings. Click the fitting at the end along the axis you want to move it. Move it to the desired position and click. To move the elbow along the other axis, run the command and click the other end.